AI has completely transformed content creation. It's fast, efficient, and honestly, it's kind of amazing. But there's a catch. Just because AI can do lots of things doesn't mean you always should use it for everything. At its core, content is about connection and real human connection. When AI is used poorly, it risks spreading misinformation, copying existing work, or sounding completely robotic. And let's face it, none of that really builds any trust. That's why ethical AI isn't just a nice-to-have thing, it's really essential. So how do you use AI the right way? So let's break it down. Number one, treat AI as a tool and not the boss. AI is great for brainstorming and automating tasks, but it shouldn't really replace human creativity. Use it to assist and not lead. 2. Be transparent. If AI is part of your process, say so. Honesty really builds trust, and your audience will appreciate knowing the role the technology does play. 3. Fact-check everything. AI isn't perfect. Always review its output for accuracy and bias, because mistakes can happen. 4. Stay original. AI pulls from what already exists, so make sure your content has your unique spin and your unique tone of voice. People connect with you, not just any generic post. 5. Respect intellectual property. Plagiarism is a no-go. Run checks to ensure AI-generated content is fresh and respectful of other people's work. Using AI isn't just the right thing to do, it's really smart business. Ethical content builds trust, strengthens your brand, and keeps your audience coming back. So, are you ready to create content that really connects? You can use AI for this and refine it to make it yours. If you'd like to talk about how to use AI in your workflow, do feel free to get in touch and subscribe and follow our videos for more content as it comes up.